Okay, so let's talk about these two items, and we're going to compare this one to that one so that you can decide which one's actually best for you. So product number one is actually going to be, get this, this is actually to go ahead and clean your computer or your electronic devices. So as you'll notice, there is a little button here that slides, and there is this really soft bristle little brush here on the bottom. The next thing that's really, really cool is that on the back side, you will see that there is this really smooth little surface, and that's to go ahead and actually clean your phone screen or your computer screen. And there's also a spray container here, so you can actually push this down and then it will actually spray a cleaning solution for you to be able to go ahead and clean your device. What I really like is that you can actually go ahead and pop this off. You can take this out and you can go ahead and you can refill it. That's kind of a neat little tool there. So when you go ahead and you run out, you can actually go ahead and refill that so that you can go ahead and use it more. I do like how sleek it is. It's definitely really small, kind of like the size of a very small phone, so that you can go ahead and store it wherever you need to. Now, product number two is also to go ahead and actually clean your device, but let me show you how this one works. So you can see, number one, the size difference. This one also has a brush. The button on this is actually a little bit harder to push than this one right here. This one's actually very easy to push. This one's just a little bit more difficult to push. And the bristles themselves are actually a lot more firm as compared to these. These are very, very soft, and these are actually a little bit firmer. Over time, I think these are probably going to last longer as compared to these. The next thing that's a little bit different about these is that the screen cleaner is actually going to be right here. And then when you pop off this top, there's three different tools here. The first one is to go ahead and actually take off your keys, your keys off of your laptop or your computer, so that you can actually clean underneath them. And then there's this really cool little brush for you to be able to go ahead and clean out the portholes and that sort of thing. And then the last one is actually going to be this really nifty little tool. And I think of this as like maybe you went ahead and you got kind of some potato chips, or they kind of fell in between those two keys and you're needing something just to kind of stab it and get it out. And then there's also a little brush right here. And that's for you to be able to get kind of those extra little areas to be able to brush that stuff out. So this does not have a spray cleaner on it whatsoever. But as you can see, the benefits of both of these, you just need to decide as to which one is actually better for you. And I hope that my video today helps you to decide which one would be better. Either way, thanks for watching, guys, and y'all have a great day.